So maybe you're a side hustler who's busy juggling multiple clients and different deadlines. Or maybe you're a business owner who has to deal with clients, freelancers, and endless deliverables. Whatever the case, managing an online business can feel overwhelming at times. And I know this as a guy who runs numerous online businesses and teams while traveling the world full-time as a digital nomad. But that's why I'm super excited to share a brand new collaboration platform that can help you visualize, collaborate, and scale your side hustle and businesses easier than ever before. This platform is called Vani, and guys, you're gonna love how this thing works. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use Vani to manage your team, clients, and deadlines and business goals to actually begin scaling, just without the headaches. If you're a side hustler or entrepreneur or business owner, it doesn't matter. You don't want to miss this video. Let's get to it. So guys, what exactly is Vani all about? Well, Vani is an intelligent visual collaboration tool that's designed to help teams turn ideas into action and actually plan out their projects more effectively. Now guys, I test out tools all of the time, and I've actually started using Vani for my own online businesses. And let me tell you, it is way more intuitive and actually way more enjoyable than using traditional collaboration and visualization tools. And don't think that you need to run some massive agency or have tons of employees for Vani to be useful. This is something even a solo side hustler or one-person business owner should be using to map out their business objectives and projects more effectively. Now with that in mind, I'm actually going to showcase how to use Vani and how I'm personally using it for some of my different businesses and some of its most powerful features and use cases. I'll also be linking Vani down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out, and there's also a free plan so you can sign up super quickly, you can start using it yourself, play around with it, and see what you think. But with that in mind, let me hop into my Vani account and I'll show you guys exactly what this platform can do. So to get started, you can create a Vani account with your email or Google account for free, like I mentioned, to get started, and then follow along with this video. Now, once you sign up, you pick your plan. The free plan is perfect for solo side hustlers and small teams, and then there's a paid plan that's great for agencies or businesses with a couple of employees that are looking to scale. And this plan only costs $4 monthly. And then there's also a business plan for larger organizations that's only $8 monthly. Now, once you actually log in, you enter your main Vani dashboard. And this is where you can do things like invite team members, create new spaces, and manage your account. And so to get started and how you really kick things off, I'm gonna create a new space in my Vani account. And spaces are basically individual projects on Vani where you can plan, collaborate, and execute on different ideas. And I really like this because right off of the bat, you're basically segmenting your ideas. So you're not just leaving everything cluttered inside of your brain, you're starting to plan out different projects and different tasks right from the get-go. Now within spaces, you also have zones, which are like micro segments within a particular project. And so for this Vani tutorial, I'm actually going to show you some of my zones and how I'm using them to plan out different aspects of my online businesses and some of my different workflows and teams. And so right now I'm actually building out some new affiliate marketing funnels and workflows. And so I'm creating an affiliate income space within Vani to manage this project and the freelancers and brands I'm working with. And within this space, I'm going to build out a couple of unique zones, one of which is my new Reddit community and funnel, Honest Side Hustles. Now, once I actually make this zone, it becomes so easy to plan out different responsibilities, goals, and action items within Vani. So again, let me show you guys some of the things I've started to build so you can start building them as well. And so really the first feature of Vani that I absolutely love is that it has this kind of infinite canvas system. And so Vani's main zone is basically an infinite canvas where you can drop notes, build out workflows, brainstorm ideas, and keep on scaling as your ideas grow. And it's actually really cool because you can literally zoom in or out with your mouse wheel or trackpad and have the canvas expand or shrink to fit your needs. Now guys, I'm someone who used to use PowerPoints, or I'm someone who used to basically jot everything down in a notepad or just keep things in my brain. So already this is a massive upgrade because I can just plan on this infinite canvas and kind of play around with it as I need. And if you want to freestyle, Vani lets you add all sorts of things to this canvas, including text, graphs, icons, sticky notes, images, tables, and tons of other elements. But one thing I also like is that Vani has a lot of pre-built templates, so you're not completely flying blind. You can be super creative and freestyle if you want, or you can start using some of the very useful templates. And there's actually dozens of templates to choose from, including ones like strategy planning boards, social media content calendars, customer journey maps, buyer personas, topic brainstorm charts, and product positioning workflows. I'll scroll through the templates here and you guys can see that there's tons of different options you can use to begin mapping out your ideas. Now for my own personal zone, my goal here is to build out a couple of different things that are going to help me scale my new Reddit community, Honest Side Hustles, and also manage some of the freelancers I have helping me with this project. And so one of the things I built in this zone is an entire sitemap for my new subreddit, including some of the main pillar pages and then my supporting subreddit threads that link back to my money pages. This helps me organize the actual structure of my community, and it's way clearer than using something like Excel or different spreadsheets. I also built out a content calendar and posting schedule using another Vani template, and this has been a game changer for me in terms of consistently posting content. And you can see here that I've now mapped out over 30 pieces of content that are going live on my new subreddit this month. What's also nice is I've added one of my virtual assistants to my Vani account as a collaborator, so they can just log in, they can see everything I'm putting into this zone, and they know exactly what to do now and what to post on Reddit, and I'm not emailing them all the time, we're not talking over text messaging, they just log into Vani and they know what to do. All of this is also really simple. You can literally just click and drag elements you want onto your canvas, and editing text, fonts, and styles is also a breeze. Now, another template I used and added to my canvas is the project kickoff template, which I also really like from Vani. This lets me outline the new goals for building out my new Reddit community, including what my milestones and KPIs are, what the outstanding tasks are, and most importantly, who on my team is responsible for which task. What's also nice is that if you have a lot of meetings, Vani also has tons of templates relating to team meetings, weekly check-ins, new hiring, and even one-on-one feedback. Now, personally, I don't have that many meetings. That's not really how I like to structure my businesses and teams. But again, Vani has so many templates, and you can also freestyle and basically build anything you want on its infinite canvas. Now, a second feature of Vani that really caught my eye and one that I think is super useful for teams is its Catchups feature. And really, this is an efficient way to make sure that everyone on your team is staying up to date with different tasks and the project progression, so everyone is on the same page. And so if you click the Catchups button in the bottom right of Vani, you can host a live call with your team within your Vani canvas. And this is so much better than trying to screen share across a calling platform and just a bunch of different tabs. You can literally just hop into Vani with your team, begin brainstorming and planning, and then all contribute to the canvas in real time. Again, if you're running numerous meetings for work or for your business, I definitely recommend giving this a try because it's way better than screen sharing and just messing everything up as you flip through a bunch of different tabs. But what's also cool is that Vani saves your team meetings as catch-up, so anyone who misses a call for whatever reason can watch it back later. So again, they stay up to date and everyone is on the same page, like I said. This is also very useful if you're managing team members or clients in different time zones, which at the moment I am. I'm based in Cape Town a lot of the time, but I have clients in California. I work with freelancers in Asia. It's kind of all over the map. So something like this catch-up feature is actually very useful, again, for making sure your team members stay synced. Alright guys, and one more feature of Vani I really like is its kits feature. And kits are basically pre-built templates you can use when collaborating and designing new assets for your business. Now, kits are available on the Teams and Business plan, and honestly, they're pretty cool. For example, Vani has kits to help you plan out and visualize things like web pages, email funnels, social media posts, posters and flyers for your business, even programming workflows and more advanced visualizations like kits for Cisco, AWS, data flow diagrams, Azure architecture diagrams, and plenty of other cool kits. Again, kits are super visual and very easy to use, and this is another great way to collaborate in real time with your team. Okay guys, and the fourth and final feature I wanted to touch on really quickly is actually Vani AI and the AI system it has built within the platform. And so Vani AI is actually powered by Zia, which is Zoho's in-house AI agent. And it might seem like a small thing, but I like that it's built into Vani so I don't have to hop back and forth between screens on another AI tool. But in terms of what it can do, Vani AI is actually pretty versatile. For example, you can ask it to create a mind map or flowchart for an idea you have, build out social media content for you, and even summarize workflows and entire documents. And really what I like about this is that Vani AI actually pairs pretty well with your social media marketing strategy and just your marketing strategies overall. For example, I can ask Vani AI to literally build me Reddit posts and copy that I want to post on Reddit. This just takes some simple prompting, and Vani does a pretty great job at creating this kind of content. I can then add this new content right to my zone, so my virtual assistant knows which content to grab and post to Reddit. So there's no need to email them or to post this content elsewhere. And I'll show you guys in my zone here, I actually have a bunch of content that's ready to post on Reddit, and all of this was actually created by Vani, which is super cool. But anyways guys, those are some of Vani's main features, or some of the different features I'm using to run my own online businesses way more effectively than just trying to manage everything in my brain. But this is just my Reddit affiliate workflow, and I'm starting to use Vani for planning out content for this YouTube channel and for my different blogging businesses, and it's honestly been a ton of fun to use so far. That said, I've only started using Vani recently, and this thing has so many other tools and features that I want to highlight really quickly just to show you guys how versatile this platform is. So first up, Vani can also integrate with databases, which is super cool. So you can actually add databases for your Vani projects, which is super useful if you want to move your CRM data over or map out leads or some other kind of data pipeline for your business. Vani also lets you embed content in your canvas, which is really cool. So you can add things like YouTube videos, Figma files, and content like Google Docs right into your space. And finally, Vani just has tons of easy collaboration features that make it way easier for you and your team to be on the same page. Vani is great for having live calls and catch-ups, but there's also tons of functionality in terms of sharing info and brainstorming with your team. People can annotate things with sticky notes or even voice notes, and you can also highlight text or even just doodle freestyle with a pen on the canvas to mark things for your team. And there's also a neat flow feature you can use to present your work to your team members or to your clients seamlessly. And like I said, you don't have to juggle between confusing screen share software that crashes all of the time. You can just use Vani. Again, like I said, I'm just scratching the surface with this thing. There's a free plan. I recommend you guys sign up and start playing around, because once you start playing around with Vani, you kind of start getting the wheels turning in your head for how you can actually use it to streamline your workflows. And honestly, guys, it's already started making a difference for me, and I really think you'll enjoy using Vani. But anyways, guys, I've shown you some of the best features of Vani and how I'm personally using it for my own online businesses. But really quickly, I just want to cover some of this platform's best use cases so you can help decide if it's right for you. And really, there are a couple of different buckets where I think using a platform like Vani makes a ton of sense. Now, the first would be solo side hustlers who are looking to plan out their goals and projects. I also think anyone working as a freelancer who has to deal with clients and deadlines can get a ton of value from using Vani. Similarly, small teams who need to organize workflows and responsibilities will find a ton of value here because it is way easier to collaborate with different team members, even in different time zones. And finally, I think agencies working with clients and freelancers who really need to delegate and keep things organized will absolutely love using Vani. Again, anyone who has to collaborate online or plan out projects online will probably love this thing, so I definitely recommend signing up for Vani, play around with it, and see what you think and see what it can do for your business. But okay, guys, let's talk about pricing here, because I've covered a bunch of cool features, I've covered a bunch of use cases, and you're probably wondering, how much does Vani actually cost? Well, like I said during the onboarding process, there is a free plan and you can sign up in about 30 seconds and just start testing out Vani. So again, it is super simple to try this thing. Now, the free plan is free forever, and it also lets you build unlimited spaces and even work with unlimited teammates, which is pretty cool. But the thing is, I recommend at least upgrading to the team plan after you try out Vani, because this unlocks so many other features. For example, the team plan unlocks more visualized workflows and pre-built templates. It also unlocks database table integrations, way more zones per space, unlimited version history, and more Vani AI credit usage limits. The team plan starts at only $4 per month when it's billed annually and $5 when billed monthly, so it's also incredibly affordable. Now, if you have a larger team or you're dealing with numerous clients or even numerous businesses, then you could upgrade to the business plan. This is available at only $8 monthly when paid annually and $10 when paid monthly. And again, this plan is great if you're managing multiple teams and different projects. It also lets you invite guests very easily, and it's ideal if you're working with a bunch of different clients, contractors, and projects that need to be kept separate. Overall, this is one of the most affordable project planning tools I've ever come across. And again, I love that there's a free plan. You can sign up, you can play around, see what it can do for your business, and then decide on the plan that's best for you. But anyways, guys, I hope this Vani tutorial and review has been helpful if you're running multiple online businesses, or you're a freelancer, or you're a side hustler, and you kind of just need some help with planning your projects and workflows more effectively. Like I said, I've just started using this thing and it's already making a difference for me, and I run numerous businesses. I have clients in different time zones, I have affiliate partners, I have virtual assistants, I have freelancers. It's kind of a lot to manage, and I honestly haven't been doing the best job historically, so I'm pretty excited to actually use a legit project planning tool and a collaboration platform like Vani. The whole infinite canvas thing is pretty new to me, but I'm really enjoying it so far. And so again, if you've never tried anything like this, I encourage you to give it a go, and I'll be linking Vani down below and in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check out. But yeah, that really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. You can let me know in the comments what you think about Vani and if you plan on using it and what you're going to build next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.